So we live in Pennsylvania and it is very rusty, and we were trying to clean the window, obviously, because to get the salt off, and our windshield wiper quit working. So we're going to show you how to fix that today on a 2014 GMC Yukon. It pretty much applies anywhere from like 2007, I believe, to 2014. So we're going to show you how to fix that today. So we went to AutoZone and they had everything we needed. They had WD-40, we needed a replacement arm for the wiper, and we needed the replacement blade because, as you can see, the arm is messed up, but what's messed up really is the inside, if that'll focus there. That rusted off completely. So we're gonna be replacing all that today. We're gonna show you how to do it step by step. And hopefully by the end of this video, we can clean off this salty window, which is very dirty.
All right, first things here, we wanna rip off the blade, which you can see it
fell off itself.
Disintegrates. We live in Saltsylvania, Rustsylvania. You wanna go and rip this out.
That's the line.
It comes with our replacement arm,
which is right there.
So we also picked up some WD-40. So if you don't live in a salty area, you probably won't have to worry about that, but we're gonna soak this down with some WD-40, which we picked up at AutoZone. I also picked up a,
it's very windy.
Yes, very windy today, and we're supposed to be getting some more snow here coming up. Also, there's little teeth here. You wanna soak those down. They were very, very rusty and salty. I also picked up a brush, a little wire brush I got at
I can show you that
Harbor Freight, which we're gonna soak that down so it doesn't snap off. Let it soak in a little bit.
So you're gonna need a 13mm wrench here, and you're also gonna need a wire brush to scuff off the surface and get all the rust off of it so it doesn't happen again. So if you can see right here, you can't really, but there's little grooves, so we're gonna use a drywall screw. Pretty much anyone will have these. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna clean out the little grooves to get all the salt out of them, and that way it'll ensure that it doesn't happen again and it doesn't rust out. You also might wanna get some Nemesis to go ahead and put on there too, to help make sure it doesn't rust or anything like that, and it'll lubricate it. So first things first, you're gonna wanna take off the bolt. So you just want to go ahead and keep on doing that, go the whole way around. We actually already did this before the video, so it's good enough. So the wiper blade you're going to want to get is like a soft metal, so it'll like bond to this. So you're going to go ahead, open that up and put it on. So you're going to wrap the hose around, that way it doesn't get all bunched up whenever you turn it on. And that's for your windshield washer fluid. That just plugs in right there.
That's great.
Alright, so here's what it looks like after you get it on. You're going to wrap the windshield washer line around, take it underneath and plug it in. So you have this open, you're going to put a nut on there, and then you're going to close that up and put your blade on. Alright, so we put some Nemesis on there, just a little bit much, but we're going to do that just so it doesn't rust out. You're going to put your nut on, hand tighten it first. I'm going to go ahead and tighten that up just enough so it doesn't fall off. You don't want to snap it either. So we got the nut all tightened down. We're gonna go ahead and close this up. Now we're gonna put the wiper blade on. So that's gonna be pretty easy. You're just gonna pick this up, pull it out and put it in. So you're gonna go ahead and snap the blade into place. There you go. Put it back, make sure to put it back in this slot too, I don't know. Something people might forget. So we're gonna go ahead and see if that works now. Also, everything you're going to need to do this project, I'm going to link down in the description so you can buy it. It's all going to be from AutoZone. I'll have all the parts numbers and links to that so you can do this job. Alright, so we're going to test this out now. Go ahead. The wiper works. See the fluids coming out there. So there you go. That's a simple fix. I mean, it's really nothing major. You can have all the parts in the description. Pretty simple. Pretty cheap. Something that happens whenever you live in the Rust Belt. Just like this. See, it's starting to rust out even down there, and this isn't even that old of a car. All the paint's peeling off. But yeah, that's the crappy part about living in Pennsylvania, but that's something simple you can fix. That way in the winter you can see out your windows.